Good morning on day 21 of my Appalachian Trail through hike flip-flop. I am just packed up and getting ready to go. I have got breakfast here. I want to show you what I'm having. So I am having pepperoni with cream cheese on it and probably a little splash of Skippy afterwards for dessert. And I have my cold brew coffee. That's what it consists of. Well, it's not glamorous, but it's food. Hey everybody, this is Mike and Judy, siblings who are hiking the trail together. Say hi.
Hi.
We stayed at, what shelter were we at?
Windsor Furnace.
Oh, yeah. Windsor Furnace shelter together. So they stayed in the shelter, I tented. And they are fellow Christians who are also hiking the trail. So because I'm only doing about 9 miles today, I was going to stay at the shelter a little bit longer and just relax and have a slow morning. But wouldn't you know, this morning is a cooler morning and it was too cold sitting there. So 7:20, which is probably the latest that I've started out. But I'm usually on the move by 7. So, I mean, I stayed a little bit longer, but not a whole lot. I think this branch just came down last night. I don't remember seeing it yesterday when I walked in. But that is a sign where the AT meets the Blue Lays to the shelter. And we're gonna go up here. I see a blaze right there. So I know I'm on the right route. Last night there were 2 through hikers that tented with me, and then in the shelter a brother and sister who've been section hiking, and you will see them in a picture here in this video. And very friendly. We chatted for quite some time while eating dinner last night and again at breakfast this morning. So very pleasant to meet you, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your section hiking and are blessed. Take care. I am on my way up to the viewpoint Pulpit Rock and this is our path. Lots and lots of rocks. As you can see, the left side is the chosen path of many. But this whole mountainside is just covered in big rocks and boulders. It's a gorgeous morning. Cool. And crisp. And perfect for hiking. Oh, I can see a bigger hill up there. So hang tight and we'll get to the overlook. There's a saying that if you can't find the blaze on the tree, just look around and find the worst, rockiest path, and that's probably the AT. That's what I would guess here. But luckily, I do have a path. And I don't have to climb that this morning. This is a path, really. All right, made it through that unscathed.
Blessed be your glorious name, and may it be exalted above all blessings and praise. You alone are the Lord. You made the heavens, even the highest heaven, and all their starry host, the earth and all that is on it, the seas and all that is in them. You give life to everything, and the multitudes of heaven worship you. Nehemiah 9:6.
All right, I'm feeling adventurous this morning, so let's record a little rock hopping. Yeah, that's the trail. I just keep saying that because it's so funny. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to record here as I do this. Let's try it. I'm going to go backwards a little bit. And on it goes. That is a massive pile of rocks. Oh, this is pretty neat. Wow. I'm having a hard time leaving this place. This is called the Pinnacle. And now I can say I've been to the Pinnacle in Pennsylvania and I've been to the Pinnacle in Tennessee. The one in Tennessee was much easier getting to as we drove up to the parking lot and walked a short distance from there. Both have stunning views though. Sometimes the white blazes aren't as obvious, and if the sun's shining, it's really hard to place them sometimes, or to see them sometimes. This little road walk has been a pleasant diversion from all of the rocks of the last few days. So I'm enjoying this while we have the chance, or while I have the chance. Going through a wooded forest, anticipating getting to the next water stop because I am out of water. I had a bunch of pepperoni last night for dinner, and then today, and I think that's probably a big contributor of my thirst. So when I get there, I'll let you know. I haven't shown you guys a water filtration in a while, so maybe we'll do that. We'll see what the situation looks like. I know I didn't show you yesterday my food resupply because when I got to the shelter it was busy, and it wasn't busy. It had 2 people in it, but we got to talking, so I was busy chatting and just never really got to the video. So there's months to come with that, so don't be alarmed. You'll see what I'm eating, and I'll try and show you once or twice a week, maybe more, whatever. I'll show you it periodically. How about that? What I'm eating. All right. So I'm still walking on that previously mentioned road, and it has been an interesting road. Definitely almost as many rocks as the AT. But it has smoothed out now, and of course I'm going uphill because I just started videoing, but that's okay. So it's been mostly a road walk today, and then we are in a beautiful section of woods. So I'm going to show you just for a second. And the road here is actually much better than it has been. Smoother, fewer rocks. Here's a little parking space. Oh, but it goes down to a really cool campsite somehow. I'm not sure how you get down there. That would be nice with the sound of the stream. Hello, hello. It's the evening of day 21, and I have made it to the Eckville shelter. I will show that to you here after this part of the video. I can't even speak. I had a warm for 1 minute shower and then a cold shower. So I got rinsed off and washed my socks and a couple other things. And right now I've got a few things drying over there on the picnic table. So up and around the corner is the road, and then across the street is the actual house slash shelter slash garage. And then I've got a few things airing out. They've got another tent pad and then lots of area for tenting here. And I am on a tent pad as well. I don't have my tent set up. I'm gonna wait for a while to do that. This is most of what I purchased yesterday. I've got some jerky, Spam, cream cheese, peanut butter, pulled pork, chicken, some cashews, almonds, and cranberries, a couple sticks of butter. I was really obsessing over peanut butter. Evidently, I get peanut and almond butter. I mean cashew. coffee, and string cheese. I also have additional things like a summer sausage stick. I think it's a 6-ounce stick, and a few other things in my food bag. So it's heavy compared to what it had been, but it's going to last me for a good 5 days without having to worry about going back to the store, because that can be a pain depending on where you're at. So that's where I'm at right now. For those of you who might like to dig a little bit deeper and get to know me a little bit more, I've designed a membership called Campfire Calls. It's a donation-based membership. You simply click in the link in the comments section or in the description of this video, and you will get to join me around 8 to 10 campfires along the Appalachian Trail as I journey from Harper's Ferry to Katahdin in Maine, and then back from Harper's Ferry to Georgia. And you'll just get to be able to connect with me on a Zoom call and chat, ask questions, and find out more about how the hike is going. So if you'd like to join me, be sure to click the link in the description or in the comment section of this video. Thank you, God bless, and see you next time.